Chelsea Football Club is ready to face Dortmund in the first leg of the UEFA Champions League, and here is just the manager, the head coach of Chelsea, Graham Potter, has been here making sure that each and everything is just going well, and in fact he has planned to punish Dortmund in their home stadium. And of course, the stars, the football stars, the Chelsea, including here mudryk, of course, Joao Felix and Enzo Fernandez, have been here training to make sure that they are going to complete the mission as soon as possible for the sake of being on the safe side. And of course, the first plan of Chelsea is to make sure that they have harvested all three important points away, and when they come back at the home stadium, Stamford Bridge, and I mean the mission will be simple. And in fact, Graham Potter spoke also about his situation, the current situation of Chelsea Football Club, as he says, due to the number of the new players in his squad, makes them playing football in this disorganized form, and he believes that those players will be fit and they will just play the nice football as the people all around the world expect to see from them. Of course, Chelsea Football Club has quality players, quality and experienced players, and he believes that they are going to do the massive things in the UEFA Champions League. Of course, here is Joao Felix, one among the most expensive player of the squad, including Enzo Fernandez from Benfica, who was signed from Benfica with a huge amount of money.